I'm going to be trying this fly spinner bait, or spinner. It's small, but the water has risen slightly since I was here last, and also we've had rain. I'm expecting that trout might be congregating in these smaller areas, so we'll just flick around as far out as I can, and hopefully catch a trout. If not, a redfin or two. It'll be good fun. Just slowly, here's the smaller one around. Hopefully on sunset the wind dies down a little. Catch something on the edge. There's a couple of little deep edges around here. I noticed there was a guy here fishing the other day. He reckons he was going around here. Oh, this looks alright. Look how deep this bit is. We might not be able to see it on the camera how deep it is, but there's a darker blue, which is good, and there's timber out there. It goes around the corner into a drain outlet. Give this spinner a well, and then on the way back I might chuck on the soft plastic, you know. Oh, just already. Not a bad size one though. Unfortunately, I'm still not in the mood to be eating them. That's around that sort of 27, 28 centimetres. See you later. There's a deep hole here. I actually pulled drag, but I did have a lot of drag because if I'm getting trout, I had a bit more fight in it than the other episodes here where I wasn't getting much drag. I like this little body in the water here. Looks nice. Nice and deep. There's a big fish hiding in here somewhere. I've tied on this one I had in my box. It's actually got the black jig head with the orange, and being so deep, I'm going to sink a bit and see if the paddle tail gets any attention. Back to the deep water though, it's a bit shallower there. Got him. I tell you what. Because it is. Waterworks mates with it. Skinny and lean. See you later. Not worth holding up. I like this orange paddle tail here by the looks, because I only had, well, it's one. So I got one on the spinner, one on the paddle tail. Orange. Got him. Another lean, skinny one. Definitely can't eat that one, it's too skinny, even if I wanted to. See you later. I wonder if there's some real big ones in there or not. got him. Tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Only just pinned 23 centimetres, if that. See you later. Slowly make my way back because it's getting dark, cold, and again I'm busting for the toilet. I always seem to want to go at the wrong time. And this place looks like a place where you can't even go for a number one, like SA's reservoirs. Get arrested if you're seen urinating around here. I'm going to leave it there, just a quick flick. Literally like 20 or 30 minutes. Caught just 3 or 4 reddies, one being about 28 centimetres. Well, we'll find out. This place must be just redfin central. There's not the big numbers of other fish that Google reckons. So we'll keep at it. But once again, just another redfin adventure. Catch you in the next one.